My name is Kevin Uhaldi. I'm a historian here at Ohio University. I research and teach courses in the later Roman Empire and the early Middle Ages. For many years, I've taught a course on medieval history and film, where we look at classic films depicting the Middle Ages and sometimes more recent films, and also talk about the way that modern people understand, think about, and represent the Middle Ages, what scholars call medievalism as opposed to medieval history. One of the things I know from being a student myself and as a professor is that people come to the Middle Ages through all sorts of different paths. It used to often be through literature and fantasy, writing, then role playing and films, and now increasingly through video games and other sorts of media. So, what I decided to do recently was to replace some of my lectures with interviews with colleagues, both at Ohio University and elsewhere, mostly in the United States so far, and to ask them a bit about teaching medieval history, about the kinds of assumptions and perceptions of the Middle Ages that students bring into class with them, and then the most fun part, what got them into the Middle Ages and what kinds of popular media related to medieval history do they enjoy. These are those interviews.